Right, hi guys, welcome to Malvern National Kit Car Show. First event of the year to kick off, and thankfully Malvern has produced some nice weather for us, but also lots of manufacturers inside. So what I'm going to do is give you a quick run round, a quick walk around for those of you who couldn't get here to the show. I appreciate it can be a long way, so let's give you a little insight. Let's head inside. Okay, first I'm going to head off over here. We've got XCS Designs here. Harvey and his team got a very nice a complement of cars here. Cobras, I mean, gorgeous, let's be honest, stylistically iconic and just delicious to look at, really, let's be honest. Great engine choices, great colour choices. Harvey, another Essex based kit car manufacturer, or should I say sports car manufacturer, deliver some of these. I mean, it's spectacular to look at. Paint looks amazing, interior looks sharp, a very modern twist with all the black rather than all the chrome that you get on these as well. Moving over, he's got stuff like this now, which he's moved on to, which is like the long wheelbase version he's moved into, and with a fire breathing monster LSV8 in there as well. So what's not to like? And I think he's got some offers on these as well now. You can build them for about 60 grand by the looks of it. So I'm not biased because I don't build Cobras, but if it was me, probably would head in this direction. It does have a 7 with silhouettes. It's like the XCS Diachis. He's got some interesting stuff here. He's got the Honda C1 based car. That's an all-wheel drive car that he's working on as a project. Something a little bit different as well. Some great engineering going to that, and we get on really well. They do their thing, we do our thing, but you can't knock good engineering, of course. So, and then really different, and then he's got his sort of booster powered Diachi as well that he does, a similar concept. Very different. It's very similar to the Rush as it was called then, but the Diachi is a similar sort of design, and he's got these little drift carts that he's been working on. Now if you're into the drift scene, he's moved on to these little things, which is a cool little thing. How different's that? Sort of manufacturing these little drift carts, something a little bit different, and I've seen some videos online of these. What a cool little thing. I think they're only about 3 grand, something like that, 2,000, 3,000, under £3,000 I think, or something like that for a bundle of laughs. So if you've got a big car park near you, speak to Harvey and have some awesome fun. Let's head this way. So we've got lots of little bits like part stores here, and move on. Another icon of mine, another favourite, a Tornado, which is a GT40 replica. I mean, what's not to like? Seriously, what is not to like? That is absolutely gorgeous. Now I don't know too much about it and stats and specs and whatever. I know it's going to probably go over V8 in the back there, but great bit of kit. Nice. I mean, you see all the chassis detail in there, quite a lot. Looks very historic, doesn't it, in the way it's done with all the honeycomb and aluminium in here and everything else, and on the bulkheads. Really nicely detailed and done. And then we're moving to the back section here. We've got Stuart from MEV in here with the Exorcists, Mazda based kits that they do, exoskeleton, very different to what we do. Again, a bit unique in what they do, Mazda based engines. I think they do a Mark 1, 2 and 3 they use them on. They weigh a bit more than ours, but generally it's been doing a drift experience out here today as well. So if you've come down to the shows, Stuart's been doing a little drift experience. Something like these, great little fun. Quite like the colour on that. Rather smart, rather smart. So yeah, he's got them, so you hook up MEV if you like getting into that kind of exoskeleton type of car. Then we've got some other Cobras from Creedon, really over there, more traditional looking Cobra, different to XCS, more traditional looking. We've got the guys here, another Essex manufacturer now with the global GT lights. Tell us about what's going on with this. Come on, come over. What's going on? What's going on with the global GT lights then? What are we doing?
We're building the new chassis. We've just sort of gone over the whole thing, gone from box to tube, just so we can make it that much lighter again, but also increase the strength, because we're now putting a larger engine in it. Yep. So we're going from 100 horsepower up to about 185. But like I said, keep the weight down, so yeah, it should go like a rocket.
So we want to know, how much does this weigh?
395 kilos.
I'm going to pick it up, so post this up. 395 kilos. So if you're into racing, not quite road legal yet, are you, or nothing of these?
No, we're not. This version's never going to be road legal.
Never going to be.
But we are going to do a GT2, which will be hopefully road legal if we can get through the IVA.
So, and whereabouts can the guys find you? Where would they get information about the GT1?
globallights.co.uk.
So if you're into this, you want to get into racing, you know where to go. It's been going around for many years, this particular one. I think Graham Hathaway, was it?
Yeah, he had it, and then we took it on 2 years ago. And then, hoping to get a race series going at some point in the future.
Well done. Enjoy the show. Sure. What a great little car. I remember them from my days. We've got Dan's here with DJC, another Essex base. All the good stuff comes out of Essex. Come here with DJC. He's an precision engineering that they do as well. Very original with a 3-seater and a Subaru Impreza engine in the back. Running around 500 horsepower, I do believe Dan is on this, but really nice details on this. So if you want to go a 3-seater car, this is a great thing. This is an Atom with an extra seat. In fact, it's better, it's got more power. But yeah, lovely bit of kit there. And then we're going to move on over, where are we going to go? Go this way, guys. Right over here, something a bit different, something a bit, I think these are Mazda based as well. Yeah, Mazda based, and them are replicas. It's like a replica, as they call it. Very different, very unique, traditional sort of Lotus colours, isn't it really? And very cool. Let's have a look at the engine, what's under here. So you've got a Mazda 1.8, by looks at it, VVT engine on a set of throttle bodies there. Space frame chassis with that unique sort of MK Sportscars with that unique sort of Jaguar-esque looking, isn't it really? Type of thing. Pretty cool looking car actually. If you're into that kind of thing, we're a Lotus 7 person, but you know that, gotta say, that looks like it could do historic racing. What do you reckon? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So we've got other bits here, cars for sale, we've got parts and engines, got the North West Airlines Club, they're exhibiting here, this Ultima. Ultima used to exhibit at Stoney and places like that, they've moved on to other things, but look at this thing. Can-Am, American Speed V8 in there. Look at that, Lewis. I mean, hello, naughty. That's just awesome, isn't it? Ultimate G, I mean, Can-Am, I mean, I love them. Probably one of the things, Cobra and a G, on my tick list that I'd love to build. Lovely bit of kit, lovely bit of kit. So we've got MK, oh yeah, we're going to see MK, better we? So we've got here with the demo car, we've got the Mazda Turbo, as you know, running about 330 brake, for those of you who didn't know. Nice bit of kit that we do, the RX-5, we build it in kit form, or you can have it, build it at home. Been very popular, this colour's really gone down well actually, sort of the black green that we do. We've got a chassis here as well, just showing what's been done, and then we've got the new Cup 200 car here, just showing that with the new paint scheme on it as well, sort of almost, this is about 90% finished now, some wiring and bits to do, and not much else, but she's a pretty little thing, she's grown lots of attention and tons of compliments on the paint. That looks great, so I've been pleased with that. Right, so we'll head on round, see what else was coming up here. Got JK Cars with his Daytona and Cobra replica. Used to be Dax, I suppose, but it's under John Cox now. That's unique, and that's very unique in terms of, hello. Wow. I mean, why wouldn't you put a Dodge Viper engine in a car? It's mental. So Westfield have been reborn, they're back out again.
Saw a movie from you 2 days ago when you're going around here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, we're just doing that one now. Yeah, talking to you now. Yeah. Welcome, John. And we got Westfield here, sort of reborn again here, and they're up with their. They've been going for years now. Got the EV car there, and the Z-Tech car. Westfield level and the Kestrel, not sure what that is actually. Not familiar, it's the T-Po, what's the T-Po 184? Don't know if they're doing it now, but that was a Mazda based kit that was developed. Yeah, it's got the Mazda engine, popular isn't it, the Mazda engine in there. That was done, I don't know, now, you may quote me, you may not quote me, I don't know if Ant Anstead actually had anything to do with that T-Po and its. Was it Ant Anstead who sort of had work with that T-Po at one point?
Sorry?
Was it Ant Anstead who had some work with that T-Po?
No, we're doing a conjunction with that.
Oh, yeah. So, Ed, yeah, pleasure.
I'm Richard.
I wonder who he is. I know this man for a very long time. How are you doing? Yeah, good.
You guys
good.
have a good day?
Yeah, not bad, just a little video. But so, are you taking it on, the T-Po?
Yeah, we're working with that.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Right. It's good. Well,
it's a big old bus.
yeah.
So,
Well, if you're into a T-Pro and you want that kind of thing, I didn't know this, but now you can go to Westfield and buy it. So the viewers out there, Westfield, T-Pro, something a bit different. Pleasure, guys.
hang around around.
Ah, yeah, hang around. See ya. Cheers.
Enjoy the rest of
Yeah, try. Right, what we got next? Parts over there, they're boring. We don't want to do parts, do we, Lewis? No, we don't want cars. So, and we got just a week. So over here, we've got GBS. They're exhibiting here as well. They've got that Motul replica car that was done there. Very nice bit of kit actually. Quite like the colour scheme. I think Motul do a great product as well. Looks really smart. It's a Duratec powered car, I do believe, as well. Showing here Richard and the team do a good job. Got parts over here again in the show, so if you're coming for that. And another, oh my word, all of these iconic cars. Stratus from Hawk. I mean, hello. Seriously, look at that. That is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And then we're moving on, got some more Cobras here from AK. These guys down in Peterborough, again do a great kit, and with the GT40 over here as well. So Cobras and GT40s are plenty. If you want a Cobra or GT40, this is the place to come. These guys as well do a great job. Looking at this is their new demo. I think it's got a V8 in it. It's a Ford Coyote V8 in here, I do believe. So yeah, modern twist, and this is IVA Road League. You've got to get out of your way there, Lewis. Yeah, very nice. And I've sat in this car, I remember last year, and I thought, yeah, one day, what's not to like? That is naughty. But yeah, nice bit of kit there. I'll tell you what, let's head into the small tent and see what's in there. Right into the small tent here, we've got a couple of cars, got Complete Kit Car magazine over there. Now, Adam, Jack, team do a great job. If you're into kit cars, subscribe to them guys. Get loads of vouchers and bits, and if you want to go on track days, get discount. So about track days, Cam Speeder here with a couple of Cup 200 cars. If you want to follow them, that's where they are. Johnny's team do a great job, and they're going to be out at Anglesey with him and Mike, I do believe, racing these. They've wrapped these really nice actually in this livery. Cars look absolutely striking, I must say. Super impressed with that. What's not to like about that? The only difference is, I think, look, it's about the only difference I can tell between them, and the numbers, obviously, number 4 and the 111. So great car there, and there's some classic sort of stuff here really. Sebring, which is great for sale, I do believe. It's about 25 grand. Nice car. And you've got wow, look at this. What's that called? The grip bin. How are you? Look at the seats in that. Seriously, Lewis, pin that on there, look. Now we're 7 replicas, as you know, but that is out there. I mean, it's tiny. So I've got a sort of low cost, I do believe. That will be a low cost sort of base car. I think that was called a Nova. Yeah, it is a Nova. I was remembering them now. Remember these? Very different, very unique. Different kind of car with the pop top roof. Moving over, beach buggies here, and a Berlinetta as well. So I love a beach buggy. How cool is a little beach buggy? I want to live near a beach. How cool is a beach buggy? That'd be great fun, wouldn't it? Rip that round the sands. Just cool. Nothing not to like about that. Look at the beats on that. They get you out any sand dune. Now if you look down there, Lewis, there's a lot of people and a lot of cars. Now I would love to show you everything that goes on outside here, but I might be here all day. So we've got Stuart and MEV doing over there. If you come next year, they're doing like drifting over there. We've got food, we've got park stands, and we've got Westport Sportscar Club here. They generally, I've got to say, very, very good. They've got a great club, and they do, I mean, an amazing job looking after their members as well. And we're trying to get them on board for other kit cars to join their club as well, which would be fantastic if they do that, because what's here today, as you can see, is lots of Westfields. But if we can get at some point other 7s in, and they want to do it as well, there's quite a lot going on. If you pin your camera down here, Lewis, there must be what, 30, 40, 50 cars here, if not more. Gosh, maybe more than that actually, 50, 60 cars, all Westfields, all the way round, back up again. Various is from I mean, come on, look. Whoosh bang. There be loads of whoosh bang, don't they? Hey, a nice big snail on that, look. On a Mazda Turbo. I like a Mazda Turbo with big power. So Westfield over here, you've got the really cool beach buggies, you've got Quantums, you've got Berlinettas, you've got GTM Owners Club, you've got the Stratus Owners Club. You've got an abundance of things to come and see here for the day actually. And with the weather it's in, it is probably a decent day out. Compared to last year, Malvern has stepped up its game big time. It was quieter last year and today has been super busy. So check out Malvern next year, get yourself here, and if you ain't already been out, get yourself in a car maybe and come to Malvern next year. You will love it. That's it for this time, guys. I'm signing off here from Malvern. You know where we are, MK Sportscars. Check us out. Remember to press like and share, and we will catch you next time.